All right. Welcome back to my damn. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Red Dragon, and we are in Sydney right now. Sydney session. SUI coin. It's my range meter. You know, if you ask me. So we had this push out, right? We had this big orders right here. You know, after getting these large shorts, right? Swept them. Price came down, respected the low, and went after the next shorts, right? And this is what this coin did the whole morning, you know, the whole fucking day basically, till noon, right? Until PM session. I was sitting here, you know, and watching all this. I know we were super extended, right, to the upside already. We touched the 30 of the all-time high zone. And I was basically just sitting here and watching, right, looking for a short. But it never broke low, right? An origin. And it kept pumping higher and higher, right? It came here, and I was thinking right here, right? While it's keep respecting, you know, it fails to close below this origin here, right? No body closure, and keeps going up, right? Keeps eating the shorts. You see the dots, right? These are large shorts, you know, entering the market here, and this is their liquidation, right? Longs non-stop protect all the way. So I was already, one was set, yeah, at 10 to 11, I believe 11:30 I came to lunch, you know, to the lunch session, and I'm watching all of this, right? I see it keeps going higher, keeps going higher, and I don't want to take a long, because we already did a major move to the upside, right? And right here, right, I was thinking this could be, you know, just touching this responsible, you know, this flip zone, respecting this high, you know. I was thinking like that, you know, while watching. Then I saw this clustering, a lot of shorts entering, right on this candles, you know. A lot of people press short. I look down here, I see these yellow circles on top. This is my indicator, you know. It just shows me, it just tells me if it's yellow, right? Just tells me MFI, RSI, MACD, divergence, wave trend, and, you know, a bunch of indicators is telling you right here to go short, right? And a lot of people press the short button. After they press the short button, right? The last short who entered was here on this candle. I believe it was on this wick, right? Possible. Or on this wick. On this side or on this side. At least, what is this? Bro, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 candles, right? 6 minutes. All 6. It's a short button. Large short buttons, right? Or 1, 2, 3 guys with large orders, you know, short orders. And what price does is wrecks them instantly, right? You see this? these guys here had time. And here these guys entered right before the pump. These guys go short on these candles. They had time to leave, but I guess they DC8. DC8, DC8, DC8. Then where do we see a big expansion? Here. After this big orders got filled, right? Looks like they had their stop loss here. These large limit orders, resting limit orders between 130.73 and 172. Accumulated, get filled. And then these guys got here basically liquidated. Well, whatever. So we saw this, when was this? At 12:30, 12:50 around, right? Just totally destroyed these guys as soon as they entered. They really got destroyed, right? And I was sitting and waiting and waiting. We were here and then I was so tired. I went to sleep, right? And now I'm back into Sydney, and then I see this, right? So what's the difference in price action? You see all these longs, you know, who entered. They all keep getting profits, right? And the price keeps eating shorts. And then it stops here. You have large shorts entering, but price, first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, it's not attacking them anymore, right? And what do we get for the first time, right? Since this morning. You know, since 8 o'clock, no, since 8 o'clock, right? Since 9 o'clock. The very first time this low is a 15-minute low. The very first time since 9 o'clock, what is it, 14:20, right? This low gets taken out, a 15-minute low. You can see it because it's dotted, right? My indicator shows you a 15-minute low. The first time, look, a structural 15-minute fractal low after going up, right? Respecting. You see the longs, the large longs here, large long liquidations, right? What does price do? Just sweeps, doesn't close above, comes down, and the very first time after taking this low here, right, the 50-minute low, what do you see? It starts eating the long liquidation price. So this is the switch, the flip, the switch. Now we start eating longs, we start eating longs, we start eating longs, we start eating longs. Every pullback in the previous zone, right? Look for wicks to go short, to go short, to go short, you know? Zones with wicks in it, nice rejections, you know? High probability setups. Perfect. But this is how you identify the flip, you know? On the top. Where can it go? Look at the 4-hour candles here. You have a big imbalance below, right? It will go down and fill this imbalance. It will work its way down now, right? And when we use the range, there's a range 50%, 75 and 25, you know. There's this Then you have a dealing range here, right? Put it. To the 50, right? We still have large long liquidations here, around the 50% of the dealing range, so it will drop down, I believe, till 50, and then build bullish structure, right, to the 75, you know, 25% back up again, you know, bullish structure, slowly, you know, sleepy. And what will that create? It will create liquidations, long liquidations, below the 50%, right? Right. So we will go down, touch the 50, and then we will do, you know, something like this until we touch the 75%. After hitting 75%, it will switch again, touch the 25%, you know. We draw this a little bit cleaner. Now after going here, switch. Now going like this until it touches in a structural way, so it has always liquidity above and below, you know. Like it did here, it pumps, it goes down, creates shorts, creates longs, creates shorts, creates longs, creates shorts, creates longs, you know. Market always needs liquidity above and below. This is the symphony of trading, especially in crypto, right? We are on SUI coin. Never forget, crypto is free leverage. You can basically just sign up on any exchange and you get access to free leverage. It's a 50x coin. Most of the exchanges use 50x on SUI. They allow only 50x, you know. So keep that in mind. This is basically it, right? I don't know what's... I just can talk about this range right now. We tap to the daily zone here, you know, all-time highs around here. We have two fair value gaps. We tap the 30%. Retracement filling the zone below. So 4-hour zone right here. It's 4-hour fair value gap, you know, slowly filling it, and then back to business. But also keep in mind, we have the weekend lows here, right? The weekend lows, have that in mind. These lows here, weekend lows, high concentration of liquidity, and below that, below here, the largest concentration of liquidity, and we are close to all-time high, right? So why not grab this and then go and attack all-time high, you know? Keeping this structure intact. This is super rich. Look, this is the highest point of liquidity. This is where the major money sits right now. Super rich location. Liquidity is gold here. Keep that in mind. So that's basically it. I missed the trades. I got tired, you know, while watching the price from all of this, you know. And then what? But I saw this, right? And 2 more hours, 3 hours. The confirmation came here. Confirmation came here to look for shorts. 1 hour and 34. And you had these guys above, right? This was the config. Looking back, respecting this. Instantly gave you on this third candle here, right? The candlestick flip. Short. Stop loss here. This would have been stop loss here and go sleep. Take profit 50%. What is that? Four or 5%. Perfect. Damn man, missing this, you know, but it's all experience. It's all experience. Keep getting it right. So let's see how price will behave, right, after hitting 50. Don't know what's that. We still can take shorts till we hit 50, right? We've trusted. And after 50, a flip. Going to 75% of the dealing range. And then look for a deeper pullback here into the 25 region. Because this was a big order, right? This was a big chunk of orders here. And their liquidation price is here. So it's possible that we will attack this region. Look at this target, golden target here. See, still in the range here, you know, the bottom of the range. Going for it, right? Building structure on its way down, and then maybe reverse. Possible reversal. But tomorrow is Monday, right? We are already Monday here. I believe we're gonna attack these guys, man. This weekend liquidity. This can be the turning point, you know, after clearing this shit, clearing this imbalance, you know. Can be. But I'm pretty sure, bro, Monday is a red day. Especially in crypto, you know. Monday is always a fucking red day. Gonna attack weekend lows. And then we will see. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this, if you found this educational, please like it and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.